Hi. Hi.
Can someone get me some ketchup sauce?
Okay.
Oh, for God's sake.
Hey.
Where did my pizza go?
Okay. Nobody talk to me until I finish my pizza, please. You guys keep taking my pizza. That's how they do it. They let you take people's pizza. Yes. I need the cheese.
Hi.
I don't care what level am I. Hey, run out the fires! This is bad.
Hey, my pizza!
Let's have to do it.
Stop it!
Okay.
Who needs some more ketchup?
Any-
God's sake.
Wow.
Hey.
Stop looking at my balls. Stop looking at my balls, fat, bro. Stop looking at my balls, fat. I'm making pizzas, bro. I'm making pizzas.
1 second.
So don't be disturbing me. I'm making pizza.
We gotta help make pizza.
That's enough.
I get it put in here, yeah? I'm putting in. Are you ready with the pizza?
No, you shut up.
Are you ready with the pizza?
Go-
I put it
Go
in the
back to school,
oven.
kid.
Is that the ready pizza?
Get the fuck off my pizza.
Give the pizza to me then. I put it in the oven.
You just don't want.
Pizza's ready. Give it to me when I put it in the oven. I need to put it in the oven.
Bro,
You
make
don't
me
need
do
the
it.
pizza ready. Give it to me. Give it to me. I gotta make it all warm and good.
I'm gonna get straight the fire potion. I can just burn your head off.
Mom, I gotta help. What's the pizza
I
there?
want the fire potion. Yeah, I'm wondering.
Stop it, Tom.
Stop throwing my. Where is my pizza?
It's not ready yet.
Somebody throw my pizza! Oh my god!
No, my pizza.
Who has my pizza?
Time to make some.
I don't want to make another one. This too dang hard.
What pizza is that?
This too dang hard.
Alexa's pizza. A little bit of this stuff. And now we gotta put it in the oven.
Yeah. No, you can't.
I'm just going
That's
to
what-
another.
No, that's
fire.
my pizza.
Oh, I'm a snowman. I'm legendary. I'm going
Can I
to fire.
cook my pizza?
Chat.
Should I make another pizza?
If you want to.
I'm cooking my pizza, nothing. Okay. Oh no, the tomatoes.
It didn't even do anything. That's a horrible thing. What level am I on?
Oh, they're not taking your pizza. They're giving you a time minute about your pizza.
Can somebody do some salt in this thing? I need some salt.
We need some sauce in here.
Yeah, thank you. And the other side too.
Oh man,
I need sauce.
Still no. I'm doing.
We need sauce. Guys, we only have a time minute for our pizza. That's why it keeps disappearing. Give back my pizza.
My pizza's the best.
Give it back my pizza.
Give my thing. Oh, I didn't need that. Where's this thing? I'm going to the other side.
Give me that. You're wasting the pizza sauce. Sub, you're wasting the pizza sauce. You're wasting the pizza sauce. Give it back.
I've got yours.
You ready?
Stop fighting. Oh me? I'm restocking now. Oh.
No,
You guys
I
still
only
have
have 60 seconds. I think we start.
My mushrooms.
2 minutes.
Okay. Yo, classy.
Oh, 2
Who wants
minutes.
my old classy pizza?
Somebody stole my pizza. Put it on my pizza.
One sec.
Okay.
You can't.
Okay.
It's
Nobody take my pizza.
Sophie. I make it. I give my pizza back. I need to give it to this man.
Yeah. And you don't look about me yet.
We need to work.
Like, yeah.
We need to work. So good. Oh no, my thing.
Get out.
Okay,
Get that
God.
out of me. The fuck? What the fuck are you doing? Emmy, get off my arm or I'll relieve you. I'm gonna tell everyone your name. I've got a sister
Sophie,
called
look
Emmy.
how good my
Get the
pizza
fuck off
was.
me now.
Sophie, look my pizza. You can
Get
make it
off of
too
me.
there.
You're not- I'm really.
You
I'm
can make
really
your own
good at
pizza.
it, though. Get the fuck off
It's
me.
very good.
Emmy, I'll tell you what.
Oh no, my pizza!
Stop! I need to do myself. No,
I'm standing here. My cool pizza.
Beep.
Don't beat my pizza.
I finished my pizza.
Yeah, I just took my pizza at someone. We're getting bad reviews for this for you.
My pizza.
From this cousin.
We
Stop,
need
stop.
We need new
No.
this. Go. Mushroom. I think this.
No.
We need a new jar of
I never said
olives.
that.
We need a new jar of olives. Yeah, I have a new jar. No, I have the new jar of olives. And I get first. You can go
You
now.
get off
Oh
me.
no, we need a new jar of mushrooms. We need
It's 6, bro. It's
the kid you're talking to. We need a new jar of mushrooms. Yes,
It's
I have a
not.
new jar of mushrooms.
fire.
Put the mushrooms in.
Oh, why is crap? You didn't make me do my pizza and I forgot. Yeah.
Put it on. My mushroom. Oh no.
Get off me.
Just give to Oh, your pizza is ready. Sophie? Sophie?
Ellie.
Hello.
No, I'm playing something. You just hit me today.
No. We need to make fast new pizzas for the customers. I think do. Oh, this.
Turned it off, I guess, didn't you?
You gotta make 2 pizzas. I make one.
Shut the hell up.
So,
There we go.
Gummy bee. I'm a gummy bee. Gummy bee. Yeah, we see you are a gummy bear.
I bet I'm on because I am so greedy. What the fuck?
I have a good potato. I have a good potato. I like to make cool pizzas. I have a potato. I have a potato. It is enough for me and you. Thank you.
I'm making my pizza because I'm so bored on. And this kid's using
Oh, my pizza's not enough with sauce. Can I go? When I need some more sauce.
Bro,
Oh no, the sauce is so gone.
I'm refilling it. Refilled it.
Yeah,
so-
new sauce. Thank you. I
I'm using
forgot
it.
to put my sauce on.
You gotta get your own pizza.
You have too many
There you
sauce.
go.
Thank you. And my turn. No,
I need to make the pizza first.
I need to make the
Do my old
pizza
classic.
first. And then I need the
If
cheese.
you don't know what that is.
Very good.
Can I have one pizza? I'm gonna steal your water. What's the one step? Now he's going to I'm just grabbing this.
I don't
one.
know
Don't tell me, mother.
The Olafs are us. Yeah, I want pizza. We
Okay.
come. We need some.
Hey, what do you like?
We need some time for the pizza.
You
I
can't
don't.
be king of pizzas.
Hey, you took my pizza! Don't do that!
You
I
gotta-
didn't do sides or legs.
Hey, Ratchet.
I can't move. What are you doing? Not funny. Why am I this tall? I'm taller than everybody. It won't let me
Hey,
move.
Boo.
No,
Give me that. Hey,
Hey!
what's wrong with you?
Oh no, this thing must go in the oven. Oh God.
I'll cook it for you.
No,
You gotta cook. You gotta cook.
oven.
Gotta
It's
cook.
good
Gotta
cooking.
Why did I go and take a mic?
Got here. Oh dear. I gotta wait for you for another pizza. Who wants another pizza? I can bring it to Grandpa,
You
Grandma.
stole my pizza.
Sophie.
How do I get pizza? How do I repunk the game?